Instagram has an option in the privacy setting that lets you hide offensive comments on your post. It is a very useful feature especially for public accounts, and in today's video I will show you how you can use that. Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe as I post useful tutorials and troubleshooting videos every single day. And now let's get started. So first of all, you just have to go to your Instagram app, and then you have to tap your profile icon given at the bottom right. From here, simply tap the menu icon given at the top right, and from here you have to go to settings. Then you have to go to privacy section, where you will find this option that says hidden words. So simply press that, and this will give you some information that you can protect yourself from offensive comments and message requests as well. So now this also works for message requests that you receive, and you can hide offensive comments on content that you post. They will be automatically moved to a separate section. Alright, they will not be visible to anyone, not to you, and they will be stored in a separate section of your comments. And similarly, you can also hide offensive message requests. They will also be moved to a different folder if you will turn this option on. And once you do that, you can also create a custom word list where you can add your own words, phrases and emojis that you don't want to see in comments or message requests. So that's very useful. You can even add your own words that you want to avoid seeing in comments, and phrases and even emojis that you find offensive. So you can also create your custom word list. So press continue, and now here, as you can see, the option, the toggle has been turned on for hide comments and advanced comment filtering. Alright, now you can also turn this on for message request, and if you want to add your own words and phrases, you can do that here. Simply tap on manage custom words and phrases, and now here you can simply add words separated by commas that you find offensive. Alright, let's do this by adding an emoji. So let's say you find this one offensive, you can simply select that and then press add. Once you press add, anyone who will post this emoji on your comments, on your post, or if they will send you this emoji in your message request, Instagram will automatically move it to a separate folder. Alright, so that was just an example. That's how you can use, and once you create a list, you can simply turn this on, and from that time onwards, whenever you will receive new comments and message requests, and if they have those words that you have saved here, they will be hidden from your profile. Alright, they will only show up in a separate folder. So that's how you can make the best use of this feature of Instagram, and you can hide offensive comments on your post and in message requests. So that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. If you have any doubts related to any of my videos, do let me know in the comment section down below, and for now I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.